All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. New 4-hour candle about to drop, our 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. Very important candle for us as we are still in a trade from yesterday. We are still in our trade from yesterday, the Euro USD sell. Based off what I'm seeing here, we'll be all right still. We're looking like we're in good shape. We had a massive break and we had a massive rejection here on the 1 hour, and the 4 hour rejected perfectly on the EMA ribbon and the fair value gap. So two really good rejection candles there. Two really good rejection candles there, which is important, as you guys know. So here's our new candle. Let me get my trading terminal up so you guys can see the live P&L. Once it decides to work. Hope everybody had a good day yesterday, though. We didn't stream last night just because we held this exact same trade, so there was really no need to. But this trade looks absolutely positively perfect. I don't think I could find a better trade if I wanted to. In terms of the technicals of it, the retest of that fair value gap right here and this EMA ribbon on both time frames, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and even the day chart rejected perfectly up here, creating a big long wick. I think we're going to see, somewhere toward TP3, possibly even TP4 or lower down to this bottom zone, which is a lot of pips from entry. From entry, TP1 was 11 or 12, TP2 was 20, TP3 was 35, about 50 to TP4, and then it looks like the bottom could be 80. So we're going to see what happens here going into this hour, but I've got a pretty good feeling about it. A really good feeling about it, actually, guys. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. My name's Matt. I stream pretty much 1 to 2 times a day throughout the week. I'm a full-time day trader. Yes, sir, Mr. Carter, I am. That is correct. That is correct. We are in a trade already. So we're already in one right now. There we go. All right. Just had to fix that. We're barely holding drawdown here right now. Holding about... Adele, what's going on? Charles, how much you need to get started? I'd say a minimum of $500. I would say 500 is a really good place to start. Charles from Facebook, how you doing? Mr. Carter, thanks for the sub, man. I would say tune into the live streams, and if you're looking for more one-on-one stuff, you can certainly take advantage of some of the options that I have there. Adele, good morning, Adele. How are you? Yeah, 500 is a decent amount. Yeah, that's what I would agree with. Anything less is really gonna be kind of tough, to be honest with you. The expectation needs to be pretty low of how much you're gonna make per trade. 500 though is a really good place to start. At the minimum, that is what I would say. If you got 500 bucks to trade with of discretionary income, so income you don't mind losing, because as everybody knows, you got to pay your dues to the market. You're not going to win every trade right off the bat. You know what I mean? So again, we're in Euro USD, and I'll explain why. And we've been in this trade for almost 24 for actually like 24 hours. Yeah, we've been in this trade for a full day, and the reason we're in this trade is because it opened up, market opened down here. It came up and retested the high of the previous week. It came down here and came up to retest, and this was our new zone here. This is our new support and our new resistance. It's a resistance here, it's a support here. It's rejecting it and coming down. So this is our targets. We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, and then we've got 4 right here. So you've got 4 different targets where we think this thing is going down toward, because of the break and retest on to the downside on the higher time frame and on the lower time frame. So this is just a classic break and retest to the downside. I don't believe you can trade foreign exchange, Mr. Carter, on Robinhood. I think you have to use something like this, man. I just sent it to you there, Mr. Carter. You have to use that broker, or any broker that allows you to trade foreign exchange. I don't believe Robinhood allows you to. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like the stream, subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, because I don't think Robinhood allows you to do that. Jason, we're trading Euro USD. Jason Harold from Facebook, Euro USD. FX Starfleet. Terry, what's going on, man? How are you? But yeah, that's where we're at right now. We just got this new 4-hour candle here at 9 a.m. We retested this EMA perfectly. We got the ribbon flip, and most importantly, we had a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour. So a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame is a massive sign that we are going to see downward movement to the downside. I'm just gonna have to see make a little wick here. As long as you're not over leveraged, you certainly can. And we talked about it yesterday when we took the trade. Like one of two things was going to happen. This break and retest right here was going to come straight down, or on the hour it was going to come up and test the EMA ribbon, which it did. But we have officially broke the trend line. So if you look at this here, this is your trend line right there. We broke the trend line. Trend line has been broken and retested and rejected the trend line here. So we're coming down this way. It's just a matter of time. But we've got, let's see, check the minute chart here. It's just a matter of time here. New York session open is in 15 minutes, well, 17 minutes. We have no red folder news this morning, which is really good. So no red folder news, which means we should see some clean price action. But slow pre-market here. It looks like on the volume, we've got 69K on the volume. What happened? Anybody getting Euro AUD from yesterday when we talked about it? I sent out? Because Euro AUD is going to go. Look at that. Euro AUD ended up hitting TP1 last night after I told you guys it was coming down. For 26 pips. This thing's still going to come down. Euro AUD is going to come down to these levels here. Looks like. I sent that out last night. What the hell's that? Not a chart that we're in. GBP NZD ended up going TP2. GBP AUD kept falling. USD JPY is at a very, very critical point right here. USD CHF ended up finally going TP2. Every chart that we looked at ended up going to TPs, including this one, just like less than a pip away. So all the charts that we had looked at together yesterday all went to at least TP1 or 2. I'm curious to see what happens here on USD JPY, because this is a critical point. This 163 area, really critical psychological level. And then USD CHF did end up climbing. It looks like it's continuing to climb here. But we're in Euro USD. Here's our new 15-minute candle. If you guys want to, you can certainly move your stop loss down. There's no problem with moving this stop loss down to here, to only 20 pips. I'll send that out and let everybody know. Oh. All right, there we go. So let's see here. We got, oh, we might be moving green here very shortly, guys. I think we're moving green. Already in profit on the other account. This one I got in a little late on. Who else is in this, by the way? Let's see this thing move. There we go. Let's push green. Green for the first time since yesterday. Well, kind of. Not really, but you know what I mean. I don't know about you guys. They got me on the swap pretty good there. It's the only reason I don't like holding intraday. Like holding intraday, you're going to get that swap. Like my swap was... So my commission per lot was $10, so that's $30 right there. Well, I'm sorry. My total commission on 15 lots on this account was $30. The swap though was 40 bucks almost. $45. And that's for holding between sessions. That's what that is. We finally broke this consolidation period right here over the last hour and 10 minutes. Broke right down. Yeah, it's coming. Give us another 8 minutes when what's it called opens. When New York Stock Exchange opens, when New York session opens at 9:30. You're gonna have some good movement. Here we go. Let's see a big push here. There we go. Calls and puts is options there, Mr. Carter. This is just shorting or buying. Buying or selling, that's it. We're banking that it's going to go down. So we're in a sell, which would be equivalent to a put, that you're hoping that the chart goes down. And it is. There's our move. Let's go, David. It's the move we've been waiting for. Adele, we're not even like 3 pips in profit, and we're already at $55 in the small account, Adele. Good moves here. Let's go. Let's get her done. Almost $2,000. We've got a pretty good looking chart here, guys. I am pretty happy with this chart. No complaints whatsoever. Look at the day, too. That day came up. Let me get rid of this. That day chart came up, made a wick, and just absolutely dropped. This 4-hour candle could be really nice for us. We got a new 15-minute candle coming in. Roughly 2 minutes. If we can break these previous lows right here, guys. If we can break these lows, I think we're home free to at least TP1. 1, then 2, then 3. So that's the goal here. There it is. Break those lows. I don't want to see any head and shoulder stuff. Just break the lows. We're almost there breaking the lows, guys. Here's $2,000. $2,200. All right, here's our new 15-minute candle here. Big fair value gap created. Let's get another good push here. Market open, by the way, guys. This is New York session market open as of right now. Volume should be whipping here. US ADP private payrolls up 16,500 per the week. In the latest 4-week period ended July, up 19,250 prior week. Jobs are good. Jobs are good in the United States. It's good for the dollar. With that news coming out an hour ago, you may have another big push on the dollar, which would be great for Euro USD sales. would be great for our Euro USD sells. Give me 1 second, I gotta blow my nose, guys. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Are people short in the dollar or what? Just a little retracement up the... Yeah, you're going to have retracement. Let's go, boys. Let's see this thing drop big time. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, I was putting in a work order for the people to come to my place to fix something. Let's go. Good drop there, guys. Let's go. Good drop there. All right, let's get a. We broke the previous lows on the 15-minute. That was key. That's step number 1. Now we need to break down to TP1. All right. We hit 4 grand for a second there. Oh, my back. All right, let's go. $4 grand, back to 4K. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see this thing drop. Adele, we're not even at TP1 and it's almost $200 in the small account. Euro USD with the drop. Let's go. 5 grand. Keep pushing. See, we got 15 minutes till a new hour here. We're hovering above 4,000. Right, between 3,500 and 4,000. One sec, guys. Isaac, this is Euro USD sells. Euro USD sells. I may re-enter this, guys. I might stack another position just as a heads up. Yeah, I'm stacking another position. Let's take a look. What is this? The 15-minute moved up. 5-minute is probably retesting, I would imagine. Yeah, 5 minutes retesting. Very likely this continues downward. Especially going into the last 9 minutes of this hour right now. Yeah, watch this 15-minute drop. It went and created a wick. I think it's going to drop. Excuse me, guys. But, I mean, this was a really, really good chart setup right here, guys. Good RR. This is a 1 to 2.5. Push the other way. Let's go. Let's push. We broke the lows already. Now we just got to break the lows on the 1 hour. If we break these 1 hour lows right here, guys, we're in good shape. We already broke this low and we already broke this low. So check marks on those. Now we just got to break this low right here. We break this low. I think we retest right here at TP1 and then we're home free to the bottom. That's what I'm looking at. And we are home free to the bottom. Let me take a look at this. It's 15-minute here. We just got a new 5-minute. So we're rejecting the EMA and the fair value gap on the 5-minute right here for, let's see, for 35 consecutive minutes. Let's get that pushed down. There you go. Let's go red. Let's go red here. We have 4 minutes left in this hour. We're just hovering right now going into this last hour. Let's see what we're gonna get here. All right, here's our new hour. See what we got going here. See what we got going on this new hour. It's all right. It's just going to create a wick and then come down and retrace this wick. Fair value gap created on the 1 hour too. Let's hold that and have it come down, and we'll be in good shape. Yeah, we should come down, rip that wick about a quarter of the way up, and then just start coming down. Give me 1 sec, guys. We moved the other way, huh? No, not really. It's just a wick. It's okay. Not worried about that. That was Euro JPY. That was a different trade. That is not this trade. That was a trade we already took profit on. Oops. I'm just gonna create a big wick here. Let's wick back down here. Yeah, well, there's the wick. Wicky wick. Wicky wick. It just had to start the hour off with a little bit of buying power, and now it's going to wick down. Retested the 15 EMA. The 5 probably broke, but 5's going to come back down. 15's getting tested right now as we speak. Let's see her go on a wick down there. Should see this reject here. We gonna see. In between two fair value gaps here, whichever one we break is the distance it's going to go. So if we break this one right here, it's going up. If we break this one right here, it's going down. I have a feeling it's going down still. Higher time frames are going down still. We're still rejecting this. So as long as we don't break this shoulder line, I think we're all right still. Let's see this bad boy come back down into zone here. Definitely want this thing back down into zone here shortly. All right, we're coming back into zone here. If we can get a good 15-minute bearish candle. Hey, Dell, check Discord. I messaged you a couple times. But it is dropping again, yeah. It had a little spike. I think that 1 hour just needed to create a wick off the EMA. See how it created a pretty nice wick there. I think it's going to come back down here. There we go, wicking back into the zone here. There's the wick back in. There we go, boys. There's the wick back down. Yep, it was a wick right off the EMA. I entered another position on the small account. I did not enter another position on the big account. I might right now. there's a good move. Yeah, I've been looking at these charts for a long time. What a wick that was. It's not a bad wick. Right out the jungle. Flip it red. Come on, flip it red. There we go. Flipped it red. That's what we needed. Just another confirmation that this thing's coming down. On the 15-minute. There we go. That's the kind of candle you want to see after two green candles up. A red candle that big on the 15, and we're about to close like that too. Back in profit from holding 4,000 negative to 2,000 up. Yeah, I think this thing's primed. I think it's primed to drop. That was a great 15-minute candle there, guys. Really good 15-minute candle. Yeah, really good 15-minute candle. Yeah, there we go, David. Let's go. Tested it pretty good there. It's a really good confirmation for us. 1 minute drop below the EMA. There you go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Nice, 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 nice. There we go, boys. That's what we're looking for. Look at that wick off the EMA perfectly. Break these lows and we will be in such good shape. Break TP1. Good moves here. Good move. Push that up above 4K. Break the lows. Break the lows here. Thanks, Ryan. I'm trying. Trying, man. Hey, by the way, Ryan, you were in England for a week. I think that means 7 days worth. You have to put $50 in the trading account for missing the gym for 7 days, bro. That was the rules. Tell you what, I can't feel my chest after yesterday's chest day. My God. Or 2 days ago. Yeah, Ryan just got back from England. He was at the British Open. BK. There we go. Push. Let's go. What a new 5 minute there. We're going to break the lows. Let's go. Let's go. shirt on backwards. And we're only, what? This is only 7 pips in profit. 7 pips for 5 grand. If we go to TP3, may take the week off. No, I'm just kidding. But Adele, it's a good thing I stacked another position on that small account. I took out 100 at the low and we're up another 100. 120, so 220 on this trade. Scalping up and down. Let's break the lows. Let's go. See this thing keep dropping. Five-minute look like. 5 minutes trying to break its previous low. Boy, if we can break this right here, it's pretty much almost a 24-hour hold for us here. It's been 24 hours since we entered, roughly. Just want to see this 5-minute drop off. It's looking good, though. There it is. Keep going. There it is. We broke the lows. There it is. We broke the lows. That candle, that hour candle, was like been 15 pips already. The dollar must be going jacked up. Yep. So the dollar is at the highest psychological level that we've seen it at. Shit, I might have to zoom out more. The dollar hasn't been this high, guys. Oh my gosh. For USD/JPY, the dollar has not been this high since January 1st of 1987. 1987 was the last time the dollar was this high. Guys, that is insane. Seriously, that's nuts. $1987. I think I might close one position. We'll see here. Hopefully we hold that FVG on the 5-minute here and just keep driving. I got a client meeting at 11, guys, so I'll be hopping off here in a minute. Let's see what this 15-minute candle does. Boy, this thing just loves rejecting that spot right there. We broke the lows, though. We broke the lows. I'm going to close one of these positions. When this shit doesn't work. One sec here, guys. Love when that doesn't work. Come on. See this thing drop. That's annoying. Alright, let's see if the other account works. Alright, come on, red candle is here. Okay, that's for that account. That's for that account. Alright, we'll just look at that one then, because my other one's not loading. Oh. There you go. Come back down. Come back down. Nice move. Nice move. New 5-minute candle's good looking. Completely coming down on it. It's a good looking candle. Same with the one. Rejected the EMA perfectly. It's a big 1-minute candle there. Nice. Volume's here, guys. You can see it moving. Volume is definitely here. Come on, TP1. We're watching it. Watching it. Come on, TP1. Come on, TP1. I got a call in like 5 minutes, guys, so I'm going to have to hop off in a second. I want to see this hit TP1 live with you guys. How many pips in profit right now? Almost 10. 9.3, 9.4. About, we're very close to TP1. That's 10 pips right there. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. You got that, Adele? I removed it. Come on, I got a call in 5 minutes. I want to see this hit live. It's alright, I already deleted it. He was a normal human, but it was self-promotion. Come on. Right there. Just got to break this low. All right, boys, I got a meeting here in 5 minutes. So obviously keep an eye on this. I'll send you a message as I have been. Great stream today. I know we held this trade a little longer than we wanted to, but it's going to pay off. And then we'll stream Asian tonight. Since we won't be in a trade from this morning, we'll stream Asian tonight. So I will see you guys tonight. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Great stream, though, guys. We'll end this stream how we always do. Good stream, guys. Great stream. Great stream, guys. Thanks for showing up. David, Adele, everyone who was watching today. Appreciate you guys. Good stream. Good stream. Great stream.